Hey guys, welcome to Toy Scouter. It's me, Toy Hunter, and today we have a giant-sized surprise egg. This egg is made out of 100% Play-Doh and took us 5 hours to make, so give me a thumbs up if you like it. Can you guys tell me the name of Psy's most popular song on YouTube? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section below. Before we get started, let's take a closer look at Psy. He has sunglasses on, he's doing his famous Gangnam Style pose, and check out his funny little ears. Let's start by taking off his arms. His body, his hair, his sunglasses, his little ears, and his face. It looks pretty funny with no eyes on it. Whoa! Check out all the surprises, guys! I see Minecraft, Nightmare Before Christmas, Star Wars, Capcom stuff, Pokemon, and a bunch of others. Let's start with this one. Our very first surprise is a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles blind bag, and they're of collector keyrings. And on the back are all the keyrings we can get. It's Leonardo! You can tell by the L on his belt, his 2 swords, and his blue face mask. Check out his cute little shell. And here's a keyring so you can stick it on your keys or your backpack. Whoa! We got a Street Fighter's backpack hangers blind bag. And these are all the little hangers we can get. It's M. Bison, and he looks like he's ready to fight. Yeah. He has scary white eyes and a red outfit on. He's the leader of Shadowloo, and he's trying to take over the world. His special abilities include Psycho Power. He's a pretty scary looking guy. And here is the hanger, so you can stick it on your backpack. Oh no, his arm fell off. There we go, all better. It's a Minecraft Craftables blind box, series number 1. And on the side are all the little craftables we can make. We got Squid! Can you guys help me build him real quick? So here's Squid, and he's swimming in water. Whoops, he fell off. There we go. It looks like he's surfing. Awesome! We got a Rat's candy and dispenser, and it's of Transformers. And on the back are all the dispensers we can get. Here's the checklist, and we got Optimus Prime. Optimus Prime, roar! Did you guys know that Optimus Prime is the leader of the Autobots? He's a blue, red, and silver semi-truck, and he turns into a super cool Transformer. So to use this, you just twist the top, grab the candy, and put it inside. You guys want some more candy? Alright, let me try one. It's orange. That's pretty delicious. So, whenever you're done with it or playing, you just stick it on your backpack. Isn't that great? Awesome! We got a Psy Wacky Wobbler bobblehead. And it says Gangnam Style, Psy. Doesn't Psy look awesome? Check it out. His head shakes because he's a bobblehead. He has his sunglasses on, a suit, and look at his cool shoes. And on this, it says Gangnam Style, Psy. Pretty awesome. This thing is super heavy. Can you guys leave me a comment below and tell me what is your favorite song from Psy? Mine is Hangover featuring Snoop Dogg. It's a ET foil pack. And inside comes with one of these figures. It's E.T. and he's wearing a button-up shirt. He's a little alien that got lost and he's trying to go home, and a little girl is trying to help him. Have you guys ever heard the famous quote? E.T. phone home. Whoa! It's a Hot Topic Nightmare Before Christmas blind bag. And inside are one of these cool figures. We got Oogie, and he's a little scary monster. He looks like a tree stump. He's brown and has little funny arms and legs and a scary face. The cool thing about this is you could turn his body. Check it out. Bloop. Woohoo! This is pretty cool. Yoo-hoo! We got a Marvel's 500 Series 3 blind bag. And here's a checklist with all the figures and their names. It's Marvel's Odin. He's the king of Asgard and the father of Thor and Loki. He's all blue, he has a trident, and he has like a Viking helmet on with wings. His special powers is he could shoot lightning bolts. Let's try it out. Watch out, guys! We got a Star Wars E-Races blind bag from The Force Awakens. And over here are all the E-Races we can get. Here's our first E-Races. I'll be right back. Check it out, guys. It's one of the original characters from Star Wars. It's Chewbacca. He's a Wookiee, and he's brown and furry, and he doesn't know how to speak English. That's kind of how he talks. He's a funny guy. He is Han Solo's greatest friend, and he's an awesome pilot. Here's our second E-Races. I'm gonna build it real quick. Whoa! We got BB-8, guys. He's a droid from the new Star Wars movie. He's white and orange. He has two moving parts, his body and his head. He's also very, very small. he's even smaller than R2-D2. That's pretty cool, right? We got one-of-size albums. This looks pretty cool. Let's take off this plastic part so you guys can get a closer look. So here he is, dressed as a mermaid. It's pretty funny and goofy looking. And on the side is a girl mermaid. And there's Sai again. And on the back is a list of all his songs. Here's some artwork that came with his album. Pretty funny looking stuff. So each one is a track from his album, Gangnam Style, and on the back are the lyrics. This is so cool. And here's the CD. And it's only part 1. Can you guys help me count how many surprises are still left inside the egg? 1, 2, and 3. We got the Legend of Zelda blind bag, and it comes with one of these 6 figures. Here's the checklist. It's Link, and he has a sword, a shield, his little scabbard, and his green outfit on. Pretty cool. He looks like he's ready to save Princess Zelda. Choo 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 choo. And his little figure also came with an hourglass. It's a Pokemon Happy Meal toy from Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. And we got Mega Latios. We got a foil Meryl, and her 2 abilities are Tackle and Rollout. She's a basic Pokemon with 70 hit points. And here's the Happy Meal toy we got of Mega Latios. He's silver and purple. He has wings and is flying. He's a legendary Pokemon and is dual types. He's Psychic and Dragon. So what's cool about this toy is, it came with this little stick. You just put it in his mouth. And if you press this button, he will shoot it out like Hyper Beam. Let's try it on Sai. Bam! Let's get Mr. Bison, because he's a bad guy. Whoops, I hit Optimus Prime. Alright, I think that's enough for now. Let's put Latios down. And we're down to our very last surprise, guys. Let's see what it is. Awesome! It's one of my favorites. We got Shopkins collector's cards. Are you guys ready to check out the Shopkins cards? The first one is Rolly Roll, and she's kind of foil and sparkly. Then we got Shampy, Cool Cube, Freezy Peasy, Leafy, Sizzles, and Heels. These are pretty cool. Which one was your favorite? I like the first one. Rolly roll. And we're all out of surprises, guys. Which one was your favorite? Mine was a Psy album. I thought this was super cool because of all the artwork on the cover and the inside.